This is Tier 3 of the TacMed Critical Event Response System. It incorporates the TacMed Responder Armor that has both front and back Level 3A soft body armor that is NIJ certified. It also utilizes the universal tourniquet dispenser that is located behind the patch and is capable of holding 2 additional tourniquets. The individual kit is mollied to the front of the vest. This tier has a greater medical capability with the addition of the rescue kit. Let's take a more in-depth look at the capabilities of this tier. This is the TacMed Responder. As we just stated, it comes standard with both front and back Level 3A soft body armor panels that are NIJ certified. That is the entry-level starting point for being NFPA 3000 compliant, specifically for the armor protection capabilities that you're providing to your personnel. This is a very flexible and versatile system, and what I mean by that is it's not a custom fit vest meant for one person. It has the ability to adjust to the shoulder straps and the waist straps, and where that becomes very, very helpful is a lot of fire departments, EMS services are purchasing these for every seat in the vehicle. So whether it's 2 people, 3 people, 4 people, however many seats are in that apparatus, that's how many systems they're buying for that vehicle. And over the course of Alpha shift, Bravo shift, Charlie shift, 24 hours, 24 hours, 24 hours, a lot of different people are coming in and occupying those seats. And those people have very, very different body types, sizes, shapes. This system has the ability to adjust to those. We refer to it as one size fits most. And what is key about it is it keeps the protection panels where they need to be, in the center of the chest and the center of the back, covering the heart, lung, and spine, high in the hydraulics. 2 key features that are also on this vest. On the back is a true emergency drag handle. This isn't just a carrying strap or something to be able to hang it up with. This is vertically sewn all the way down the back of the vest, and if you need to actually pull somebody, it's not going to break. So it is a true rescue drag handle. On the front of the vest is MOLLE capable equipment, so you can attach different bags, different capabilities to it, and mount a lot of equipment there to be able to enhance the vest's capabilities. So I want to take a couple quick minutes here to talk about a really cool feature that we can add on to the TacMed Responder armor system, and that is the universal tourniquet dispenser. What this thing basically does is takes advantage of existing real estate on the vest to be able to include additional tourniquets. And what I mean by that is normally on both the front and the back there will be a big huge patch panel that occupies space, and historically that's all these vests have been able to do with that space, is just put a patch there. Basically what we do is we take the patch off, this device affixes to the front panel of the vest in that same space. And if you'll notice, there's hook and loop, and that will become important here in a moment. And once this thing is attached, there are 2 soft tourniquets attached here. There's little pull straps that if I need to access it, I pull the strap and it dispenses one of our soft tourniquets. Same thing if I need to do it on the other side. But once that device is in place and the 2 tourniquets are there, we take the patch and we just simply attach it back over the universal tourniquet dispenser, and you still have the recognition of the patch on the front of the vest, but behind it you have the capability of storing 2 tourniquets. This has the ability to go on any armor that is on the market, so even if it's not one of ours, you can attach it to another competitor's version of armor and it will work great for that system. And it is a universal tourniquet dispenser, meaning not just the TacMed soft tourniquet, but it will accommodate other tourniquets that are on the market. This is the individual kit. One of the really cool features about it is you can MOLLE it to any vest or belt worn system that you want to wear it on. Let's open it up and take a look at the components that are inside. Now as it's here, this is the standard and stock way that it comes, but as with any kit here at Tactical Medical Solutions, we can customize it to meet your mission specifications. What we have here is a soft tourniquet, a 4-inch flat pack Elias trauma bandage, a Sharpie marker, a set of trauma shears, 3 pairs of medical grade gloves, a packet of tack gauze, a twin pack of Halo vented chest seals, and behind that is a combat casualty card. This is the rescue kit. Let's take a more in-depth look at the capabilities. First off, this is intended to be worn as a backpack. It is capable of carrying a tremendous amount of equipment, and I'm going to open it up here in a second and show you all of the capabilities that we have it pre-stocked with inside. Just before we do that though, a couple of notes. On the outside here, there is a zipper pocket that goes down on either side, and you can access it from either side, kind of like a hand pocket on a hoodie. So whichever side you open up, you're getting into that interior pocket. Currently, we have our combat casualty cards in that area right there, so that's what it's holding right now. Once we open the bag up, you will see what I mean by it holds a lot of capabilities. So, this is a modular, adjustable system that allows you to customize how you want the interior of the bag set up and organizing your equipment. I know how I have my preferences. You've probably got yours. It definitely allows you to adjust it if you want something different, but this is how we've got it coming out as we set it up. On the back are 4 pocket medical kits, vacuum sealed. This is one of our common items that you will see on our website. It has a tourniquet, compressed gauze, a compression bandage, and a chest seal. And there are 4 of these. You can still open these up and access them, treating patients if you need them. The purpose of these though is to be able to intentionally hand off to other people, other rescuers, interveners, citizens that are there to help out. Basically meant to be throw kits, and there's 4 of those tucked in the back here. As far as loose components goes, there are 4 additional tourniquets, 4 Elias bandages, 2 twin packs of vented Halo chest seals, 4 NPAs with lube, a marker for the casualty cards, trauma shears, and 2 rolls of cling wrap and 10 pairs of gloves. So again, that is the basic standard stock. Right now, as it's set up, there are no hemostatic agents in it. We can offer whatever variety of hemostatic agent you prefer if you want to include that. And again, the really cool feature about any of our kits is we will customize it. If there is something different that you want, more of something, less of something, we have that capability. And the way this is stocked out right now, there is still room for expansion in the addition of additional materials. There's an entirely separate back pocket here. One of the configurations that we were playing with, we put some splinting materials back in there. So again, there is still plenty of opportunity for expansion of capabilities in this bag. The last feature of the bag I want to go over with you that we're going to do here in a minute is to show you how this bag will adapt and hold a Foxtrot DA litter to assist you with casualty evacuation. And we'll take a look at that here in just a moment. One of the additional features that we include with the rescue kit is the addition of a Foxtrot DA litter. This is definitely going to assist you with casualty evacuation. The bag has a really cool strap and cradle system built into the bag that will allow you to affix this to the front of the bag, and I'm going to show you how that works. On the top, there's a pocket, both top and bottom. We reach into the top and we pull out the top straps. On the bottom, reach out and it pulls out the cradle system. Now what we do to put this into the bag is we center the Foxtrot DA. There are matching clips on the front and back. I'm going to do the front one first so you can see what I'm doing. This clips together here. There's one on this side that does the same thing. And then there's a set of clips around the top that snaps in. And now we just go around and tighten down all 3 straps. And you can see the Foxtrot DA is securely fastened to the bag, and you're able to go into the warm zone and do your mission.